A man's gift makes room for him and bring him before the great. Proverbs chapter 18 verses 16. Hello beautiful family, welcome back again to the Lovystouch channel. Thank you so much for coming back, and I hope you're doing well and taking very good care of yourself. Please repeat after me. I will not cook boring rice for my guests this season. If you do agree, please stay with me as we make this delicious vermicelli coconut carrot rice. You're going to love it so much. Stay tuned. So you will need few ingredients for this. You have here 1 cup of jasmine rice, 200 grams of spaghetti, grated carrots, organic coconut oil. You can also replace that with some butter. And I have here 3 tablespoons of coconut milk, a teaspoon of salt, and a cup of water. That is all that you will need. And just in case you missed any of that, I'll also link down below in the description box. First of all, I'm going to melt my coconut oil and shallow fry the spaghettis. Yes, we're going to break it. Sorry to my Italian fam. We have to break the spaghettis and just shallow fry it until some part of it turns brown. Okay, we want that infusion of the coconut oil to really deal with the spaghetti right now. That is absolutely great. Once I get the results that I'm looking for, I'll go ahead and add my washed rice. Very important to wash your rice, family. Stir everything up and allow it to fry for about 3 minutes before I introduce my coconut milk, salt, and a bit of water. So good and super simple. Highly recommendable to use warm water instead of cold, because you do not want to end up with your rice being really extra hard. Okay, always the salt should be according to your taste. For me, a teaspoon was just enough. All that I would do here is to stir and cover it so all the water in this rice is completely lost. Can see here now the water has all evaporated. So as you can see now, it has been on fire for about 12 minutes and it is partially cooked, halfway cooked through. So we're going ahead to add our grated carrots right now. Once the carrots get in, all that I do is to give it a stir, making sure that everything is well incorporated, and all that is left for me is just 10 minutes to get this rice ready. It's just beautiful, colorful, and just not so boring, right? You got to try this for your guests, and I bet they're going to be so happy and also very proud of you. All right, as I always say, rice does not need lots of water for it to cook through well. All that it needs is heat. Okay, so at this moment I'm going to cover it with my parchment paper so that I'm able to trap all the heat, and 10 minutes later my rice should be done. Just look at the heat and that sweat that came out. Yes, the rice is now ready to be served. Just so gorgeous, so gorgeous. It is just amazing and so good, and I hope you notice how the rice singled out. It's just so beautiful. This is exactly how your holiday rice should look like, and we paired it with this delicious turkey stew, which I also have a recipe here. I'm going to link it right here for you. All right, thank you so much, family, for watching, and if you've not subscribed at this point, I don't know what you're waiting for. Go ahead and subscribe for more amazing holiday recipes. It's so good. Just like the Christmas lighting on a plate. Just so beautiful to watch. Your guests are not going to be able to resist this at all. It is just a hit. So yes, there you have it. Thank you so much for watching through to the end, and be sure to like the video, share to a few friends and family, and also be sure to click right here or right here for more holidays recipes. So very much, family, for watching once again. And if this is your first time here, hello, my name is Lovia from Lovystouch, and I love to cheer you up into making your own delicious meal right at the comfort of your home. I also love to share kitchen related motivational videos, so please be sure to subscribe and join the family for amazing new recipes every week. Thank you so very much once again, and I will see you again in my next video. Just know that you are so beautiful just the way you are. See you.